If you live in this highlighted area, you need to pay attention. The Storm Prediction Center has flagged Thursday for severe weather. That's 4 days out. They haven't done that since October. The Storm Prediction Center doesn't issue one of these day 4 outlooks unless they mean it. That means that the signal is strong enough that they're not waiting around. A big storm system is rolling off the plains, and it's going to drag warm, humid air into the Ohio and Mississippi valleys. On Thursday evening, that's going to be some major fuel for severe thunderstorms, damaging winds, and maybe even a few tornadoes. And this is going to be happening across portions of Kentucky, Ohio, Tennessee, and West Virginia. So that means Louisville, Cincinnati, Indianapolis, Lexington, Nashville, Dayton, Columbus, you guys are all in the zone. But don't be scared, be prepared. Now, we're still 4 days out, so the exact area that's going to be impacted here is going to shift around a little bit, but that's why you have me. I'm going to be watching every model run that comes out between now and Thursday, so make sure you like and follow for more weather updates.